we saw consistently above average stuff. We like him. He has an above average fastball. Of course, he's got good sink on his fastball. He keeps the ball in the bottom of the zone, but it's above average velocity-wise, too. He's got a solid slider. His changeup is good. Watched a lot of video with him over him also. So we look at him as a guy that's ready to step in and be a very solid major league starter at this time. We had 4 starters that we talked about, and then we'd feel comfortable to go with the young guy as the 5th. We had Verlander, Price, Sanchez, Porcello. Now that young guy in the 5th becomes Shane Green. So I think we're set with our rotation at this point. We feel very comfortable with the 5 guys and think gives us a chance to win. You always address any area that you think you can get better with your club, and you do it with the parameters of the players that you have, who may be available outside your organization, your dollar numbers that you have payroll-wise. And so for us, we were looking for that young guy that was better than some of the guys that we had. And when I say better, not necessarily, like Robbie Ray, he projects to be, in our opinion, a very good pitcher in the future, but ready and be ready now. Yeah. And so that's why we reached out to the Yankees and a couple other clubs too. Those guys are hard to find. I mean, most clubs don't want to trade them. And as I would kept telling people, for us, I mean, they'd have to be better than the group, and not only better, but more prepared to pitch at the big league level. Well, in most cases, if they're more prepared to pitch at the big league level, they want them too in their rotation. So it's very hard to find those guys. It just so happened that the Yankees, they like Gregorius a lot, and they also are in a position where they really needed a shortstop. So that's what made him available.